Assam cop assaults delivery agent for breaking traffic signal, suspended. A police officer was suspended after a video of him assaulting a delivery agent for allegedly breaking traffic signal in Assam's Guwahati went viral. News Guwahati News Assam cop assaults delivery agent for breaking traffic signal, suspended. Assam cop assaults delivery agent for breaking traffic signal, suspended. A police officer was suspended after a video of him assaulting a delivery agent for allegedly breaking traffic signal in Assam's Guwahati went viral. A police officer was suspended after a video of him assaulting a delivery agent in Assam's Guwahati went viral on social media on Friday. The incident took place around 6:30 p.m. near the Jail Road traffic point in Fancy Bazaar after the agent allegedly broke a traffic signal. According to the police, the delivery agent was riding in a no-entry zone and had tried to escape despite being instructed to halt by the police security officer, PSO. The video, captured by bystanders, shows the police official, Inspector Bhargav of OC Pambazar, dragging the delivery agent to the side of the road. At the same time, another officer moved the victim's scooty aside. The officer held the delivery agent by the neck and angrily questioned him. He can also be heard threatening the victim, saying, "Where do you think you are going? And I will kill you." Several bystanders attempted to intervene and asked the police officer to stop, but he repeatedly kept hitting the delivery agent. Eyewitnesses who were recording the incident said that the officer, upon noticing, began threatening them and demanded that they stop filming. He asked them to mind their own business. Assam Director General of Police, DGP, GP Singh condemned the incident, calling it unacceptable, and suspended the police officer. The behavior of Insp Bhargav Borbora OC Pambazar is unacceptable. He is being placed under suspension with immediate effect and a departmental inquiry has been ordered. CP Guwahati has been advised to post another officer immediately, he wrote in a post on X.
সিগন্যাল দিছিল পলাই দিল